Hello, teacher. My name is Xiomara Villamil Oviedo. 1. Do you then compare ourselves to others on social media? Yes, I do, because on social media we compare lots to other people. The reason is that many of them are 5,000 people. 2. Detecting the information displayed should networks and spiders do action. Yes, I do information from social media and sparse the best in order to simulate people. For example, like influences. 3. Can social networks define their mental health? Yes, social media can affect our mental health because have become an addiction for many persons, creating new standards on respect and life. Thank you.